Today I'm going to show you how to use a torque wrench. Here's a torque wrench, and we're going to torque down one of the tires on the Cobra. So first thing with the torque wrench is we have our foot-pounds one side, and you have Newton meters on the other side. We're going to be working with the foot-pounds, and on the Cobra we're going to dial it up to 100. So you can see the lines here, and all we need to do is just have that 0 match up with the 100 mark on the wrench. Once we are at 100 and marked, there's a screw on the bottom. You just turn that, twist it, lock her down. Now we have our 13/16 socket extension. You just want to get it on the wheel. And we're going to just turn until it clicks. Now these ones, I did them on the side of the road when I had to do a tire change and whatnot, so these might already be at the proper torque, but I want to check with my torque wrench because then I'll know it's exactly right. Okay, that one's good. Then we want to hit it in a star pattern. That one's good too. Here's a quick tip. If your wheels have some type of like decorative design on here, the original Cobra wheels had center lockers and not 5 lugs. It was just a single lug in the middle. But it has these screws that hold it in. Add some blue thread locker or just medium strength thread locker to the threads of those because you don't want these to come loose. And you don't have to torque them down much, just tighten them up. But that blue thread locker will keep them from walking off and then sending a nice spiraling disc into traffic.